in the rough. Syed Winning Cause from the outside, Maselli, and One More Cat has some early speed too. Elusive Sun backs off the front runners, then down toward the inside, Winning Cause, and Hap will be the early trailer. So it's Saez and Maselli head to head for the lead as they move into the clubhouse turn. There's a break of another 4 back to One More Cat. Winning Cause is on hold early on here, about 8 lengths from the leaders. Elusive Sun second to last, and Hap is the trailer. Sprinting into the backstretch, a headstrong Syed. The opening quarter in 23 and 3/5 seconds. Syed on top by 3. Maselli is second, and then there's a big break. It's about 8 or 9 lengths back to the third horse. One More Cat is followed closely by Winning Cause. The 2 at the back of the pack, Elusive Sun and Hap. Up front, Syed goes out winging here, moving decisively. They're an opening half mile in 46 and 3/5 seconds. Now he's got a 4.5 length lead moving into the far turn. Maselli is second, and again that wide margin to One More Cat, who is a distant third. Winning Cause, time ticking away for Winning Cause. They're about a dozen lengths from the lead, perhaps more than that, as Syed turns for home. Whip through 3/4 of a mile and 10 flat, and Syed is under the whip with 1 furlong to go, still with a 4-length cushion. Maselli is chasing him second. One More Cat, Winning Cause coming on very late in the game, though, and they're coming down to the final 100 yards, and Syed dusted him wire to wire. Syed very sharp in victory. A photo for second that goes to Maselli. Winning Cause got third, and One More Cat was fourth.